Did you know some teenagers are making thousands of dollars every single day just by posting short videos on YouTube? It's true. YouTube Shorts are like tiny movies that you can watch in a minute or less. And the coolest part? You can make lots of money from them without ever showing your face. Kids and teens just like you are earning a ton. Hit that subscribe button and sign up for our newsletter to get all the secrets on making great YouTube Shorts. Step 1. Understanding YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are super short videos that you can watch in less than a minute. Unlike regular YouTube videos, which can be really long, Shorts are quick and fun to watch. They're perfect when you just want to see something cool without waiting. Lately, YouTube has made some changes that let you earn more money from making shorts. Before, people didn't make much money from them, but now you can earn quite a bit. YouTube is paying more for every 1,000 views your shorts get, which means more money in your pocket. It's also easier to become famous with shorts. They can quickly go viral, which means lots of people might see your video super fast. Because shorts are so short, people love to watch lots of them one after another, and YouTube helps by showing them to more and more people if they are really interesting or fun. Step 2. Finding your niche. Finding the right niche or special topic is super important if you want to succeed with YouTube Shorts. A niche is like your favorite type of ice cream. Just like you would choose chocolate because you love it, you pick a niche you like and know a lot about because that makes your videos better. When you focus on a specific thing you love, like gaming, cooking, or jokes, it helps you stand out and grab people's attention. Let's talk about animal videos. They are a great example of a faceless niche that's really popular right now. You don't have to show your face, just cute or funny animals doing adorable things. People love watching these, and they can get millions of views. Making shorts about animals or any other niche doesn't have to cost a lot. Sometimes it can be as cheap as $5 to make a video, or even free if you film your pet. And if your video goes viral, that one video could make you thousands of dollars. Imagine turning $5 into $3,000 just from one short video. Step 3. YouTube Shorts. Algorithm. Think of YouTube like a big library that shows you books based on what you like to read. With YouTube Shorts, it's similar. YouTube looks at how long people watch your shorts and how much they interact with them. If people watch your video from start to finish and like it or comment on it, YouTube thinks it's a good video and shows it to more people. Retention means keeping people watching your video until the end. YouTube really likes it when viewers watch your whole short because it tells YouTube that your video is interesting. If your short is a little longer, like a full minute instead of just 10 seconds, and people watch all of it, YouTube will want to show it to even more people. To make your shorts go viral, try asking your viewers to do something like hit the like button or leave a comment. You could start your video with a fun question that makes them want to answer in the comments, or ask them to like the video if they agree with something or find something funny. This helps a lot because the more people talk about your video, the more YouTube will share it. Step 4. Getting monetized. Quickly, to start making money from your YouTube Shorts, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and get 10 million views in the last 90 days. That's like filling a big stadium full of people who watch your videos. It sounds like a lot, but with awesome shorts, you can get there. If you want to start making money right away, there's a quick way. You can buy a YouTube channel that already meets all the requirements for making money. It's like jumping ahead in a long line. This way, you can earn money from your very first video without waiting. Videos watched by people in places like the United States or Europe can make more money. That's because the money companies pay to advertise on these videos, known as RPM or rate per mille, is higher there. So if more people from these places watch your videos, you could earn more from each view. Step 5. Creating your first short. Before you make a short, you need to find out what kinds of videos are already popular. This is like doing homework to see what everyone likes. You can look at what other successful shorts are about and think about making videos on similar topics. This helps because you know people enjoy watching these kinds of videos. Writing a good script is like writing a story for a school play. You want to keep it exciting so your friends want to watch till the end. Start your video with something surprising or funny to grab attention. Then, make sure every part of your video is interesting. You can ask questions in your video to make viewers think or feel excited to see what's next. You can use a computer program to make your voice sound clear, or even use different voices if you don't want to record your own. A tool like CapCut can help you put your video together. It's easy to use and can make your video look great by adding cool effects and cutting out any boring parts. Step 6. Launching your short. When you're ready to share your short with the world, use a catchy title that makes people curious to watch. And don't forget to add some fun tags that describe what your video is about. This helps YouTube show your video to people who might like it. After your video is up, you want to make sure people are not just watching, but also talking about it. Ask them to leave comments, like the video, or share it with friends. You can ask a fun question in your video to get more comments, or you could do something funny and ask them to like if they laughed. This helps your video get seen by even more people. The key to growing your channel is to keep making videos regularly. Try to post a new short at least once a week. Each time you make a new video, try to learn from the last one, what worked well and what didn't, and make your next one even better. This way, your videos keep getting better and more people will want to watch them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you loved what you saw today. Help us grow by sharing this video with your friends.